Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Slick car, guys. Out of Georgia. Good, solid Georgia body. Pretty paint, man. It's finished in Hugger Orange, not the original color. I believe it was originally a gold car. And it's got the white hood and deck striping. Car has the original factory Hounds Tooth Deluxe interior in it. 350 crate engine, automatic trans, 355 rear gear. Just a fun car to drive, man. Nice and tight. Like I say, just a good car. Slick paint. It's got about 1,200 miles on a body-up restoration is what I would call it. But like I say, the interior is actually original. Factory tach and gauge car. A lot of options. And, of course, they have converted it to the RS front. It's got the Detroit Speed Rally Sport headlight conversion. You can see it's got the cowl hood, front and rear spoilers. It's got the look. 17-inch American Racing torque thrust wheels. Good looking car. Again, it's got the electric conversion, Detroit Speed conversion on it. It's got all the SSRS badging, but I think it's just a base Camaro that they put all the badging on, guys. Steel cowl hood. And one of the little pine needles in there. Slick paint, great color. I love the Hugger Orange, and I love that, man. The Hounds Tooth interior, I just think is so cool. I put a few miles on it this morning, and you know what? One of my biggest complaints on Camaros, I don't feel like they drive great. They're unibody cars. This one's nice and tight, man. I mean, doesn't shake, doesn't rattle. Really drove great. Most of the time I get in these cars and they're kind of all over the road. Man, this one's nice and tight. Sits good. It's got, you can see it's got the meats on the back, a little bit wider wheel on the back. That's probably an 8-inch. It's got GForce Sport Comp rear tires on it. It's got the little bumperettes. Yeah, if you're gonna buy the '69 Camaro, man, I like them with that front headlight system on them. 17-inch American Racing torque thrust 2 wheels. Disc brakes. You can open the doors and the deck lid. Got Eddie helping me out today. Everybody's off on vacation. This is a 350 crate engine, Edelbrock 650 carb in it. It's got a polished aluminum intake. You can see it's got chrome water pump, power steering, does have headers. It's got an MSD Pro Billet distributor in it with the Accel Super Coil. 350 turbohydramatic trans. This car is slick, man. Got a real good look to it, slick paint. Love the cowl hood. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. You can see they've replaced the window fuzzies. Door handles look new. This stuff's original. You can pick at it a little bit. But like I say, it is a sorry, a little dirt there. It is this has got the original interior in it still. Now I think they've replaced the carpet and obviously put new sill plates on it. But the seats are original. Bucket seats, console, tilt column. It's got the wood grain dash. Yeah, 1208 on the odometer. Tach and gauge car. Everything in that seemed to work. Radio works. Blower motor works. Nice dash pad. Original owner's manual's in the glove box. It's got a Flowmaster dual H-pipe dual exhaust system on it. 10-bolt 355 rear end. So a nice package to cruise, that's for sure. I think that's just it. That'll clean off, guys. Something in there. So you can see it's all spackle coated in the trunk. Pull these mats are a pain in the butt. Sometimes you pull the doggone brake lights out trying to move them. Love the rear spoiler, the front spoiler. Doors open and close nice. Bottom of the car is clean. Good running small block, gets its R's quick. Again, a few little things you can kind of pick. Again, it's got all the deluxe door pads in it. Tilt column's cool for us big guys.
Smooth as can be, like I say, goes down the road great. Gets its arms quick, nice and tight. Like I say, steering's good. I mean, fun car to drive.
Tach works. Doors open and close nice. Get your brakes in. Right turn signal. Backup lights. Put it back in park, Ed. Give it a little rev. It's got good sound. Your turn signal's on, Eddie. I know the indicators in the dash work. You can see the gauges work. Holds good oil pressure. Get doors open and close nice. Wipers. Headlights. They're all electric. That's nice. Hit your brights, Eddie. Go ahead and shut them back off. Hit your horn. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Let's see how this one runs.